Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Adam from UpGamerAudi.net. Today I'm gonna show you how to fix that problem on MMI 3G Plus unit. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel if you want more weekly updates. Enjoy the video. Alright guys, that's gonna be a very quick and short tutorial. Everything what we need to have the access to the hidden green menu. If you don't have it already enabled, please check the links below the video, as we have already prepared the manual how to access it. You're gonna need the VCDS or the script method. Once you activate the access to the green menu, don't forget to reboot the MMI by using that 3 button scheme. 1, 2, 3. Is it the menu, central knob and the top right silver button. When the menu will be fully rebooted and all options will be working fine without the initialization screen, you can try to enter the green menu by pressing the menu and the car buttons together. And like you see, just jumping to the green menu. If you have a problem to access the menu, try to keep those buttons for 5 seconds. It should jump out straight to the green menu. Right, from here we need to go by using the central knob. Just rotate. We need to go to the Google Earth. And here we need to remove, delete cache Jammy. And we need to just press the silver button. Like you see now, you delete Jammy cache, it's been done. Then you can just reboot the MMI by using menu, central and the top right silver, and then we will reboot. And that's all in this tutorial. I hope that video will help you to solve your problem if you have one. Thank you very much for watching, and please do not forget to subscribe the channel.